We're going on Sodor Classic Cars, the supercar track ride. We managed to get the blue car. Bit early for food, you can have a snack. What's the cow gonna do? And he does stink.
Mother, we're not got to the cow yet.
No, we're not got to the cow yet. We're on our way.
Don't forget to go to the Seaweed Farm.
Ready?
Here we go, by the stinky cow. Ready?